Hey!
Yeah,
okay. Killing baits, just killing them.
Here on the Tweed River,
not eating them,
with Brad Smith. Yep. And Warric has joined in. Okay, so what are we going for today?
We're going to do some surface fishing
Yeah.
to see if we can get a flathead, a bream or a whiting on surface poppers.
So here I am on the Tweed River with Brad, chasing big whiting. Try to get some today. Yeah. Hopefully we land a few.
Don't strike.
Don't strike?
No, don't strike. Just wind very slowly.
Okay, so let me talk to the camera. So I'm with Brad Smith. How long have you been fishing this river?
Oh, since I was 6.
Oh, and that's
50, about 49 years.
Yeah, 49 years.
Yeah.
And what type of lure is this?
Oh, it's a new lure designed by a local fellow. It's called a splash prawn.
Splash prawn.
Yeah.
Okay, looks like a little prawn.
MMD design,
Moving
big moulder
backwards.
design. And we just had a hit then, didn't we?
Yeah, we got a hit. Looking good. So you cast it out and we want the dog back. That was a nice solid hit just now. Yeah.
Pull a bit of drag.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one.
We're hoping for some whiting or bream. I'm onto a bream. Yeah, and a little bream took the surface popper. Oh, yeah. So check it out. Little bream. See how it's hooked up. Pretty aggressive. Yeah, and all these little tiny trebles. Oh, so let's let it go. Okay. Oh, this one really wanted to get hooked.
Yeah.
Okay, and off you go.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Here we are, moving through the shallow waters of the Tweed. Brad is working hard. Find us a feed. Yep, I'm finally on. Take a look at this. Yeah, have a look. That's a nice sand whiting. Topwater lure. So this is what Brad was trying to get us into the whole day. A nice sand whiting on topwater lure. ONZZ. That's good stuff.
What do you call them in Singapore again?
Pardon?
What do you call the whiting in Singapore?
Pasir Pasir.
Pasir Pasir. There you go.
Yeah, you get Pasir Pasir here. Alright. Okay, we've got a stronger one on. Take a look. Oh, we need a net for this.
Oh, it's a bream. Oh, is it a whiting? No, it's a whiting.
It's a whiting.
It's a bloody big whiting. Shit, it's a good one, mate.
Oh yeah.
Very good.
Oh,
Very good whiting.
The size of that whiting.
Yeah.
Hey!
Oh man.
They hit like a silver bullet.
It's like a forearm.
Yeah.
Oh. ONZZ, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like a silver bullet.
Yeah.
Racing across.
He smashed it.
Smashed it.
Yeah.
It's great.
Okay, lift him out the net and we'll get
Yeah,
a look at
okay.
him.
It's landed on surface. 34 centimeters, longer than my foot. Don't get these kind of Pasir Pasir in Singapore. Yeah. Shall we release it? Yeah, release it. Yeah. Okay, off he goes. Good, strong fish. Pull, drag really nicely, and off it goes. Whew. What do you say, man?
ONZZ.
Yeah.
ONZZ.
Yeah. So now Warric is on. Yeah, but the whiting is coming in fast. Yeah. Yeah. Nice one.
So so you'll want 2 vouchers?
Quickly released.
Bushka.
So you'll need 2 vouchers.
Yeah. Right, so now we're using the Bastay sugar pen. Right, see if you get anything on it. A good cast. Some Trevally was spotted here. Yeah. Yeah. Look it back. Right, looks like we're on to something.
Big fish, light line.
Yeah. Yeah.
I hope you've got plenty of charge in the camera because this is going to be here for 20 minutes now.
You'll see him, but you won't see him.
Yeah, just slow down a little bit, mate.
Take your time, mate. Take your
Slow
time.
down.
You might get him a bit quicker than you think.
Not even close yet, boys.
Nah. He'll just dog it out around the boat now.
Yeah, no more pressure than that.
Just check it out, man.
Whoa! There he goes. Keep the pressure on. Never let that pressure off.
He's towing the boat now.
Never let that pressure off those little tiny hooks. The drag should be set.
Drag set beautiful.
Yeah, I've got it good, I think. Just don't go hard on him, but keep the pressure on at all times.
So we're still a long time before we'll get colour on this fish.
You reckon?
Oh yeah. Yeah, good move.
Oh. Probably onto a GT here. One of the Tweed River GTs.
On surface popper.
Yeah, on a surface popper. Oh, I see some colour there.
There he is. Hit the net. Get the net. He might come close. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Yeah.
No, you'll go again. We saw colour then.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, some colour. Oh, there.
Oh, there he is. Decent too.
Oh, he's decent. He's still green.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
We just got to take our time. We've got all day.
Yeah.
We're fishing cotton.
What's that mono? What pound's that mono?
It's that light. That's enough pressure on him.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
Oh, he's on the surface. Oh.
It's like a blue spotted.
Hey!
Yeah.
Oh, it's a
Bludger.
Spotted trevally.
it's a tea leaf.
Oh, it's a tea leaf.
Tea leaf trevally.
Tea leaf.
Woo!
Yeah,
Yay!
man.
Brad Smith,
Okay.
bloody version man. Brad Smith Fishing Charter.
Really good. Have a look at the lure and the fish.
Let's have a look at him.
Yeah. So this is a tea leaf trevally.
Tea leaf trevally.
Oh, looks almost like a GT except for
Yeah.
these little black dots here.
They're not common.
They're not common?
No, tea leaves aren't common, no. Yeah, the shape's a cross between a GT and a big eye.
Yeah. Correct, so tea leaf trevally. Nice one on the Tweed River with Brad Smith. And Warric on the camera. ONZZ.
Once.
Okay, now we're going to release it. Okay, nice quick release. So normally, for the jacks. Ready?
Yep.
Off we go. Right, we're on again. Oh,
Another GT.
yeah, looks like another trevally.
Hopefully he won't put you around that green beacon right
That
there.
was funny, the first one that came in was a whiting.
No, that was definite whiting.
Yeah,
and
it
then the
was a whiting,
GT probably
yeah.
ate the whiting and just you took my lure. Hey, you're right. I'm like, that's a whiting, that's a whiting, that's a whiting. Poof. No, it's not. How shallow was it?
Yeah, look how shallow we are.
We're hooking these things in about a metre of water. Unbelievable. This one might take a little longer to get in. So he's going to deep water, which is good. He's going for a run. Oh, did you get... Oh, no. I thought he smoked her. Keep the pressure on. That's it, mate. He'll shake his head.
And that's about it. I wouldn't put any more pressure than that, mate.
That's it, mate.
Because the rod's only 1 to 3 kilo as well.
Oh yeah. These fish are brutal on light gear.
Oh, they're brutal on light gear.
Yeah. Look at that. Just look at it. And off it goes.
Back from shallow and go
Yeah.
back out deep again.
You nearly had him and then he goes.
Hopefully that's his final run, man. Yeah.
Maybe.
Light gear fishing.
That's about as much pressure you want to put on him.
And we were going for whiting, and these trevally just come along. Let's hope no bull shark comes along.
Yeah.
That'd be scary. Have you ever had a bull shark grab the fish?
Probably over 25 years, I've seen it hundreds of times.
Hundreds of times.
And they love Trevally because Trevally put out a lot of panic in the water.
Yeah, like now what that is?
It draws the bull shark in.
Okay, so you might even see a bull shark appearing.
Oh, you're right, left-handed too. You're doing it the opposite hand.
Yeah.
Oh, you're left-handed. He's wheeling a right-handed reel. Straight. There we go. There we go. He'll come to us. Just that's it. Glide him straight into the boat.
Look at this. Oh,
Beautiful.
Beautifully. Beautifully played, Conrad.
Well done.
Well, that was beautifully played. Conrad's fishing line that's that light, designed for little whiting and brim, and what an epic way. If you noticed how Conrad was fighting that fish, he just took his time, didn't high stick it, and the result is a fish that's above our line class.
Yeah. Nice tea leaf trevally. Whew.
Very, very, very well played.
Okay, had a great day out here. We were hunting for whiting on topwater lures and we got success there. And some bonus trevally came along. What kind of trevally were they again?
Tea leaf.
Tea leaf trevally. Look like extra long GTs. Okay, so guys, what do we say?
On.
On, man. I'll probably be back soon, maybe next year.